according to me, I will first give my humble opinions towards this topic. According to me, education is not the only way to succeed. Why I'm saying that? Because like everyone have a myth in his mind, like we should first educate ourselves, we should have a degree or kind of post in some reputed organization, then only we will succeed in life. But I think this is not the only way to get succeed. Because why I'm saying that? Because anything which will do with the passionate, with consistency, with determination, you will 100% gonna achieve your goals. Why? Because there are people who just not give their 100% in their respected jobs. That is why they're roaming around and just blaming himself, like why I'm here, why I'm these, like blaming himself. Like, this is because they're not giving their 100% in their respected jobs. First of all, anything you want to succeed in life, you should be passionate with your job, and your you should be have confidence with your future.
All right, Mr. Prashant, he's trying to say that education is not important.
I would say that there is a famous quotation which my friend Aradhya Srivastav made it clear that it is a myth, and the famous quotation goes like, can you give me a mic?
Yeah, sure.
Of course. There is a famous saying which I consider is it as a myth, that hard work is key to all success. Okay, and I think let me give you a better example, that you are doing an arithmetic equation in a wrong way, and you are still leading to some result. And you will working harder and harder more onto that methodology, and thereafter you will get wrong result. Okay, still you are working hard, then you should succeed. Exactly. But it is not making you giving you success because you are not producing the right result. So I think that hard work is the key to habitualism and not of success. Okay, so hard work makes you being habitual. If you don't have education,
you have crosswords for him because he's saying that education is not necessary to succeed.
Sir, I have just recently come to that point that if you don't have required skills, if you don't know the methodology, then how will you work hard?
Yes.
Only with the work hard you will not be able to succeed.
Exactly what Prashant is trying to say, that instead of doing hard work, you should first focus on smart work, because smart work also plays a major role with the hard work.
Right.
Of course. So yeah.
You want to say something? Ekant, do you have anything to say? No. Okay, if you have to say anything, you can say also. Yeah.
Okay, I think so. Your point is correct, because success is not just by your education. I think there are many examples who has been there for they have people who have become, they have not studied, who have less education, and they have become so much popular with their celebrities, and they are now earning so much. But like examples, and I think so, ministers. Yes. You can take the examples of ministers. Right. And I think so, Reliance owner, yes, Dhirubhai Ambani, they are not studied. They have a lot of low education.
Okay, I have a very valid counterpoint.
But sir, if the family background. First of all, you person have to tell. You have to tell. What do you mean by education?
Education means awareness. Okay. Education doesn't mean that the book knowledge.
Minister or something like that. Education doesn't mean to have degree from any school or colleges. So minister, he has knowledge here.
Okay. So, sir, I had a very valid counterpoint to that. Had ministers been that educated, then there would have been no the situation that worsening in our society, that municipal commission or so, anything you can name it, everywhere you can see fault and fractures in the society. Those would not have even persisted. Now Indian metros used to teach us, be kind. There are banners where it is written, be kind, right, be humble. These all kind of virtues are being taught to elderlies. And had the ministers been that aware, then this problem would not have even persisted. Actually, giving the example of Canada or those developed countries, you would easily come to know about that.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to give to clarify the points of Ekansh. He was trying to say that ministers are successful. It means that first of all you have a habit of leadership. The main thing which have in their mind, like they are not educated, of course. They are anguta chaps. But I think they have one quality, which is the leadership. they're having a long vision, they have a high vision. Because if you have a habit, you have a leadership quality, you are 100% gonna succeed in every path.
Okay.
Then that's the main thing which they have in their life, and that's why they are ministers.
Do you know how many criminal cases Yogi Adityanath has? And he is a leader. So what do you say?
No.
You have represented him. That he is current. Oh, sorry. Don't be offended, everybody. I am a staunch supporter of Yogi Adityanath.
BJP supporter.
So wait, sir. I am also a BJP supporter, but still, I am saying that name the ministers. They all have मतलब क्या सर गंगा में हाथ धोया है बहती गंगा में और वो गंगा नोटों की है. Therefore, they have snatched away lot of money, the precious money that taxpayer used to give. I think that better allocation should be the root cause.
But more than minister is educated more than sir, because you can see the Lalu Yadav and the Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, sir, he is and Yogi Adityanath also educated, sir.
Yeah, mostly that's the situation, I think so.
Yes.
So Lalu Prasad Yadav you gave, Chara Gotala, who did that? That's it.
Actually, the point is that there are many leaders, there are many ministers. Not only I'm talking about the ministers, but there are many leaders who are leading some organization. They have the quality, they have some similar quality. That's not mean that you are that doesn't mean that you're educated. It means they have they have similar in their thoughts. They are similar just because of their thoughts, and that's why they are leaders in any kind of organization which has been there in our country. That is why they are today they are having that post.
Okay, sir. One more thing. I want to correct my righteousness position in the political scenario. I want to say that there are very rare gems like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, like Lal Bahadur Shastri, like Jawaharlal Nehru, like Jacinda Ardern of New Zealand. I would say there are many names, but the new ministries and the societies should learn from them, should learn the aspects from them, should know them, should be more aware of them. That's how the society's ill things will be eradicated.
Okay, my point, I would like to say like there are many sports person who got jobs with the sports ability, not by education. Now, like Neeraj Chopra, I would take Neeraj Chopra, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, and there are Sachin Tendulkar. Even Sachin Tendulkar does not complete.
What education? Try to understand.
Yes,
what
sir.
is education.
Education is
That is what I mentioned in my initial of my speech, that if you are passionate, like he's given the example of Neeraj Chopra, he's passionate about javelin, and that is why he's worked hard, he's give his full potential towards javelin, and that's why he got to know that he got a gold medal. Like you're passionate in any line, if you're any line, you're 100% gonna achieve success.
Is education necessary in the last year?
No, I don't think so. I'm totally against this, because education is not the primary.
But sir,
Okay. I think that it should be the necessity because javelin thrower cannot be held to the post which he or she doesn't have any experience to. So if there had been a more experienced person, perhaps he would work in the better way.
right. Mahmood. Sir, okay.
sir, villager, you can say the villager. Villager have lots of money, sir, but he has no educated, sir.
You education think about the certificate.
But sir,
Education doesn't mean.
But
you
sir,
have degree, man.
listen to me. If you have a
Let
education,
Mahmood last. Then after that.
if you have a education, sir, so if you every person has a no famous, sir.
Okay.
Every person no famous,
Famous
sir.
comes with education. You mean that?
Yes,
right?
sir.
What do you mean by that? Like, is education?
So you
necessary?
mean that education is mandatory?
yeah, education is very important. Not important is money.
Oh my God.
Education is a respect. For example, look this you can this bro and say Mukesh Ambani and Neeraj Chopra anything example. I'm not talking about Neeraj Chopra, Mukesh Ambani anything. Mukesh Ambani employment is educated.
Oh yeah, obviously.
Mukesh Ambani.
Missile, lot of missile making.
I would like to conclude.
Don't listen to him. He's going to conclude all the.
So I would like to conclude my fellow speeches who is giving the speeches. I would like to say that there are examples of Neeraj Chopra and many industrialists and many educated person like Sundar Pichai. They are very educated person. But on the other hand, we have Neeraj Chopra, who are the sportsmen. Neeraj Chopra is not that much educated. But I think that there is some common common habit which both of them have, that they worked for their future. They are very conscious about them, they are very serious about them, and they're given their 100% in their path, and that's why they are in present time they are here. Today they are here what they are, and I think that's the major role, that if you work on your future, you're serious about your future, you have a long vision, and if it is not necessarily you are educated or not, if you are working on your future, definitely you give your 100%, you are full determined, and you're gonna get success in every path.